Welcome to Mr. Criminology, where we share for you to learn and succeed. In this video, we will be discussing Article 202 or prostitutes. Who are prostitutes? Under Article 202, women who, for money or profit, habitually indulge in sexual intercourse or lascivious conduct are deemed to be prostitutes. May tatlo itong elements upang maging liable sa crime na ito. First, the offender is a woman. Ang lalaki ay hindi magagawa itong crime na ito. Second, she habitually indulges in sexual intercourse or lascivious conduct. Kahit walang sexual intercourse, pwede pa rin liable as prostitute. Kasi considered din yung habitual lascivious conduct. Like you only touch each other, ganon, pero walang sexual congress. Ang importante dito yung word na habitual. Once is not enough, char. Ano ang meaning ng habitual? Habituality means not just occasional intercourse or lascivious conduct, but it signifies that the woman resorts to sexual intercourse or lascivious conduct as a means of livelihood or to support herself or to maintain a lifestyle. Third, such indulgence is for money or profit. The money or profit is not limited to paying you directly. Pwedeng siya ang nagpapaaral sa'yo, etc. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, don't forget to share it and to subscribe.